Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can register into an online banking account of PNC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now the first thing, while you're trying to register into an online banking account of PNC, make sure that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account. First thing, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in the link that is www.pnc.com, and you can also find the link on my description box below. After you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you need to click on sign on in the top right, and after that you can see a drop down menu will appear, and you can see in the left hand side corner you have the sign in enrollment. If you already have an online banking account of PNC, then you'll need to enter user ID and password associated with your online banking account, and after that you'll be logged into your account. Since our video is based on how to register, then you need to click on enroll in online banking, which is in the right hand side corner. After you click on the link, you'll be directed to the enrollment page, and right on this page you need to provide your information in order to create an account or in order to register into an online banking account of PNC. And on this page you need to provide your information in order to confirm your identification and to proceed on with the enrollment. First thing you need to do is provide your identification number. So you have multiple options, so select either one of these information, and after that you also need to provide your account information. As already mentioned before, that you must be a customer of PNC, only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account. And after that you need to verify your information, so you can select either one of these following options and then tap on next. And after that, next interface, you need to provide more detail regarding your bank account, and after that you also need to select the type of banking that you want to register. And once you do that, next on the fourth interface you need to create a login information. So for that you need to create a user ID and a password, and after you're done verifying your account, you've successfully created or enrolled into an online banking account of PNC. So that is how you can register into an online banking account of PNC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.